Hey everybody, I want to share my pieces from the last few videos. This is the one with the color shift and that glitterific that did not really work. So the colors are pretty. And there's parts of it that I really like. I love all of these things. Not too crazy about this. So, excuse me, I may paint over it, I'm not quite sure. And then this one is the swipe, which I didn't realize how pink it had gotten. um, but it's pretty cool. I like that one. Pretty happy with that. But my favorite is this one. Oh my gosh, look at how bright those colors are. This is my absolute favorite. I love it. Love, love, love that one. So you can tell in the tone of my voice. Love, not so much. And I want to do an experiment with swiping using black paint, white paint, and then those other colors that you saw there briefly. So I'm painting over this. It's not like there's anything wrong with it, but it's you know? Oop, I need gloves. It doesn't say anything. It's got pretty colors and some pretty lines and stuff. Hang on, I gotta get a drink. But it's not calling out to me. So this is a total experiment. I've done swipes with black, but I have never done swipes with black with a white underneath. So this is my Dutch Boy latex house paint. And I hope some of you who had questions to me on YouTube. I got around to, I think I answered, I had to go back about a month, but I think I answered everyone's questions. Those who had just lovely words to say, I gave a smile or a love or a thumbs up, but know that I read them and they mean a lot to me. I just can't answer all of those, so I try to answer like direct questions, but just know that I am reading. I am reading. And I really appreciate even the like rude, unusual things, which I haven't gotten a lot of lately. Some of those I find interesting. But I did have to ban somebody who was actually sticking up for me. But in doing so, he or she called whoever this other person was a word that I do not use and do not want associated with anything near me. So please don't use nasty words. But none of you do. So it was somebody I'd never heard of before. I had actually gotten all these because I wanted to try some other kind of acrylic art, but instead I've just been using them for swiping. I was going to use red, gold, and blue because I'm swiping with black, but now I'm thinking magenta, turquoise, gold. There's barely any gold, like barely. Oh, but it's enough to get across. Yay! did just buy more. This was actually, you can see they are a different gold. Maybe you can see it better. This is Grumbacher, and this is Artist Loft. This is old gold. But I think that's the only gold they have. But you can see this is lighter, but I can add a touch of white or a touch of medium to it and lighten it up. And I forgot to buy copper. I've been liking copper lately too. And this is also different than how I usually do my swipes. Usually I do them single color down. But this time this time the black will be going over the gold, over the blue, over the magenta. I love that color. It is Soho Magenta. I will show you what it looks like. It's easy to find in my huge drawer of paints because it looks totally different than any other paint. So I'm trying to see how many ounces this is. Yeah, this is only 2.5 ounces. So these are 4. So they are a little bit pricier. So I'm going to put the black paint in here, and I'm adding 1, 2, let's just do 3. And I may as well stir it up with this. Let's see what happens. So far, ugly. Way, way, way ugly. What I'm going to do is flip it this way. No silicone this time. That's so ugly. Yuck. Yuck, yuck. Let's see if I can make anything out of this ugly mess. All that silicone is just going to keep coming up and making ugliness. But you never know. So that did not work out well for me. No. I've done with straight black turned out better, with no white background. It is fun watching all those cells emerge, but I do not like the look. No, sir. Ooh, that's cool. Bye-bye. Alright. Now, since I am not washing the canvas down with water, or soap and water, I mean, there will still be silicone on here. Oh my gosh, I just totally lost my grip. So you'll be watching this a couple days from now, but for me it's Monday, and I told my cousin I needed to start working out. So she set up for me to go, she goes to Orange Theory tomorrow at 7 a.m. I don't do 7 a.m. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I have to go. I told her I'd go. I have to go, but I don't know how it'll really work. All right, I'm going to Whoa, that was not intended to happen. I'm gonna try and do that scoopy thing again. Now that's cool. That's really pretty. Hopefully when I torch it, it doesn't erupt. And oh my gosh, I just went to wipe my putty knife, or my knife, took it right out of the thing. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, so this was a success. It's way better than the original. It is way better than the swipe with the black paint, and way better than any of those in betweens. Alrighty. Cover it up. It's so cute. And there's all these cells that are continuing to pop through. One blue one. So this I am happy about. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.